Hi, scholars. It's Miss Mayfield, and today we're going to learn all about syllables. The learning goal for this lesson is students will be able to correctly identify the amount of syllables in multiple words. So you may be thinking, what are syllables? The sounds in a word can be broken into smaller parts or chunks. These chunks are called syllables. So, for example, the word rocket. Rocket can be broken into two parts. So, therefore, rocket has two syllables. I want you to repeat after me. Rocket. Now, I want you to clap it out. Let's clap to find out how many syllables are in rocket. Rocket. Now you do it. How many times did you clap? We clap twice. Therefore, there are two syllables in the word rocket. Some words have one syllable. So, for example, book. You say it. Now let's clap it out. Book. Let's try chair. Say chair. Let's clap it out. Chair. Say lamp. Let's clap it out. Lamp. So book, chair, and lamp all have one syllable. Some words have two syllables. Say apple. Let's clap it out. Apple. How many times did you clap? Yes, we clap 2 times. Therefore, there are two syllables in the word apple. Let's try ruler. Say ruler. Let's clap it out. Ruler. How many times did you clap? That's right. You clap twice. Therefore, there are two syllables in ruler. Let's try this one. Say scissors. Let's clap it out. Scissors. How many times did you clap? That's right. You clap 2 times. Therefore, there are two syllables in the word scissors. Some words have 3 syllables. Let's try. Say dinosaur. Let's clap it out. Dinosaur. How many times did you clap? You clapped 3 times. So therefore, dinosaurs have 3 syllables. Let's try this one. Say butterfly. Let's clap it out. Butterfly. How many times did you clap? That's right, you clapped 3 times. So therefore, there are 3 syllables in the word butterfly. Let's try this one. Basketball. You say it. Let's clap it out. Basketball. How many times did you clap? That's right, you clapped 3 times. Therefore, there are 3 syllables in the word basketball. Some words may have 4 syllables, 5 syllables. There are also syllables in your name. Here is a fun song you can sing while counting the syllables in your name. So I'm going to sing this song and I'm going to count the syllables in my last name. It goes like this. Bippity boppity bumblebee, tell me what your name should be. But I'm going to say Mayfield. Clap it, Mayfield. Snap it, Mayfield. Whisper it, Mayfield. After singing this song, I discovered there are 2 syllables in my last name. You should try it. Now, how many syllables? How many syllables are in the word pig? Let's say it. Pig. Clap it. Pig. How many times did you clap? One time. Therefore, there's only one syllable in the word pig. This is an umbrella. You say it. Umbrella. Let's clap it out. Umbrella. How many times did you clap? 3 times. That's right. So therefore, there are 3 syllables in the word umbrella. How many syllables are in the word lollipop? You say it. Lollipop. Let's clap it out. Lollipop. How many times did you clap? That's right, you clapped 3 times, so therefore there are 3 syllables in the word lollipop. Let's try this last one. This is a wagon. Can you say wagon? Now let's clap it out. Wagon. How many times did you clap? That's right. You clapped 2 times. So therefore there are 2 syllables in the word wagon. All right, scholars, I hope you had fun. And I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye, scholars.